Welcome to the Profile Dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage everything from your public profile to how our tools work for you. But today, I want to show you something that will save you hours of work. Preparing your manuscript for Kindle Direct Publishing can be a challenging process. Getting the margins, fonts, and table of contents just right is crucial for compliance, but it can be tedious and time-consuming. That's where the KDP Formatter comes in. This powerful tool automatically formats your DOCX manuscript for KDP compliance instantly. It handles all the common formatting issues, from page count-based margins and font embedding to generating a professional table of contents. Let's see how simple it is. You can either drag and drop your manuscript file or click to browse your computer. We'll select our DOCX file here, and once it's selected, the file appears, ready for formatting. Now, just click Format for KDP. The tool gets to work, analyzing and correcting your entire document, and in just a few seconds, it's done. On the right, you'll see a complete compliance report. It gives you a quick overview of your document, including page and word counts. More importantly, it details all the formatting changes made. The tool detected that a table of contents was missing and automatically added one. It also gives you a heads up about the low word count, which is a helpful insight. See here, it automatically fixed the margins and standardized all the fonts to Times New Roman, making hundreds of changes instantly. It also applied consistent paragraph spacing and line height throughout the document, ensuring a clean, professional look. All of these complex requirements for both print and ebooks are handled for you automatically. When you're ready, simply click the Download KDP Ready document button. Your perfectly formatted manuscript is now downloaded and ready to be uploaded directly to KDP. Stop struggling with formatting rules and let our KDP Formatter do the heavy lifting. Get your book ready for publishing today.